My brother and my sisters on our world, just on a beautiful sister Lamina to Sanko, the one and only. The original, no duplicate. Any other Lamina to na Ekabon copy. My brothers and my sisters in this video, please. I want to share this video. I want this video make it go viral. This video where I did it today for my brothers. Because the only time where we can see plenty papa than the common ado, na Father's Day. You, my brother, where they look me. Papa go talk say, na Father's Day no more you for sure say you na papa. Just one green day, inside 365 days, one green day. They most of na come on ado. Follow we no say yes. Una na papa dem. You, my brother, where they look me. If you na one of them papa then the way it be say, now one day inside the year, you dey come on ado. My dear brother, you not deserve to be called the father. Yes. Because they picking their so one are they born. One are they left them picking are so giwi. They picking are not so then they sit down and ask for a salon and bring them Canada dunia. They know they beg una follow una born them at all. You man, if you know say you not go able for shoulder you fatherhood relationship, your responsibility as a father, you know say you not go able for shoulder. My dear, you to assist in zip. Put her up. Jack her up. Or pull out. Use condom. When you make love, when you get sex. Pull out or you use condom. And a big. Because some of una the reason self waiting make una know then pick here so the life the world they born for una. Now because of reading my money. You may bother where they look me. You want punish you picking because of me the mama we born the picking for you. Now the picking and do you wrong. If na me the mama na me do you wrong, na me hurt you. Deal with me. But most of the time when they make the innocent picking and then they suffer. Some of them when they say child support safe. If you get 2 jobs, get 3 jobs, you don't have to work now. They work one girl job. The other one they do now under the table. Papa got the seal now. Papa got the seal now. Say what you they do we in all rights. And not so we wanna they do. Now the picking and now they punish. The innocent picking them. They picking them what they want for. Now they know they beg now. Follow na can bond. You need water where they look me. They picking a yawo they born for now. They know they beg now. Follow na bond them. No. If you not say you're not able for stand, you fatherhood responsibility for me you stand as a papa. You want only one commander do on Father's Day. So say yes, you not papa. Some of me I can scare myself. What can turn around as soon as I get 10-year-old picking, 13-year-old. When I go on a Facebook page, they say when they put on a picking a picture, then they say Instagram when they put on a picking a picture, then they Twitter not when they celebrate on a picking them. But when Father's Day come, then say they don't want to post the pictures. One going to inside the year. Now when they come out and do ask papa. When I forget year on a picking a life. But sometimes when they punish them picking a year because of reading my money. In all rights, you me brother where they look me. In all rights. If you not say, if this woman born picking for you, you not go able for continue, for take care of you picking. Forget about the woman in your side. Take care of you picking. That one then are your responsibility. If you say you know say you not go able, my dear brother, pull out. Maybe picking not come out today. When I say pull out, I know what I mean. Pull out. Or you use condom. Or not touch the girl at all. Because when they punish the innocent picking there. The innocent picking there and they don't they punish. Yes. The innocent picking there. Now they don't they punish. You may bother when they look me. If you know say if this woman born for you, you not go able for day there for that picking day because of the woman. You not ready yet for me papa. If you make love, pull out. or you use condom. Or not touch them at all. No can punish na poor angel. When they take the bonats, when they put some honey picking ya. When they suffer them picking. You may brother when you look me. If you na one of them man today, when you know the day that you picking your life, just because of a mama, my dear brother, you dey punish your blood. You dey punish your blood. You picking na you picking. Not only 1 grand day inside 365 days, you don't come on and do as papa. When you can see on pictures in a Facebook when you picking on Father's Day, I can catch myself. I say, son, I've been papa. So he been get 10-year-old bobo. So he been get 14-year-old titi. So he been get 5-year-old bobo. So he been get 5-year-old titi. And the two can say me out. Because number one, when I know they celebrate when I picking them. When I know they put the picking pictures they up. Because of the pain one I get on a heart for them mama them. And it is not nice. It's not nice. If we do not bad, we not put them power. We not put them, we not extend up an empo picking it. We not extend up an empo angel, then they are the big one in the name of God. Then picking the yano to then they ask to follow and abond them. You mean what they look me? You mean what they look me? Are they big? We not they suffer them picking out. Now we have responsibility for taking care of na picking. Are they big? If you know say you're not ready yet for be papa, jack up, use condom, pull out, no go left belly. Wait tomorrow when you know say you not too dear into the woman that poor picking will suffer. And I sing to God that picking will be ask you for me you born. So when you born under your responsibility for take care of her. Now your responsibility and the big. And I feel free for share this video. This is a beautiful sister, Laminatu Sanko. The one and only, the original, no duplicate. Any other Laminatu, na a carbon copy. When they suffer them picking ya. When they punish the innocent picking ya. When they punish them because of free. Now you picking. When I take care of una picking them. When I take care of una responsibilities. Who the born them picking ya so for me. God never know that for enjoy them picking ya so tomorrow. God never know. When they left the picking and give we. Just because of when I don't get hatred for we. When I mind they don't bitter for we. When I know they care again for when I picking them. When I left when I picking them. When I for stop, when I do that. Papa then they will be said then they picking their life. 100%. When I copy from them. If you don't want to do man again, fine. But then are you picking your life? Take care of your fatherhood relationship. Now you responsibility that one day. Take care of her. You're not going for care for the mama, but care for your picking. Now you flesh and blood. Now you blood and then start picking. No put the 8 grade you get for him mama. Not take no put on for you picking. Now you picking that one day. Some of the ways you know angry child support for una. Say pay $300 per month. Una fee say I don't know where for stop. Milk 1 gallon milk now. That's $3.49 for 1 gallon milk. Cereal. Look at Loranda. They picking them some say 1 box cereal they don't have per day. Yes, 1 gallon milk then they don't have per day. So you feel say that $300 when they pay. That woman they go they pull for cook for that picking. It the parents inside it. It the feeder inside it. It the roll thing inside it. You feel say that $300 they go do. And not they do. You go pay you $300 child support. But they can't take that picking again. Can't go do grocery for them. School non lock. School they can't open. Take that picking go buy uniform for them. Buy shoes for them. Buy school supply for them. Bingo, good deal. But when I can feel so when I don't get that $600 or $400, that's the end of it. No. You get for do more. When I learn for take care of my responsibilities. When I will not do one. When I tata for now. When I feel free for share this video. Please.